Welcome. In this video I will show you how to highlight WASD keys with RGB on your Logitech G512 X75 keyboard. So to do that, we're gonna have to open our G-Hub application on our computer, go to the keyboard settings. Now we're gonna have to go to the LightSync menu on the sidebar and select the FreeStyle Coloring. Now to color your WASD keys, you're gonna have to select your color right here. So select any color that you like and then click WASD. Okay, so we have to do it differently. Make sure to select this. Make sure to select this tool, and then click each key separately. And this way you will color your WASD keys. And this is what it looks like. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.